डू यू नो इतने सालों बाद भी लोग ये पुरानी गाड़ियों को क्यों मानते हैं? वेयर दे सिंपली रिफ्यूज टू अपग्रेड। आई टेल यू अ सिंपल रीजन। दिस कार इज फ्रॉम 2016 एंड ऑलमोस्ट 10 साल बाद इसकी जितनी पावरफुल गाड़ी इस सेगमेंट में नहीं आई और ना तो कभी आएगी। दिस इज ए 2016 Chevrolet Cruze, also known as the Daewoo Lacetti, the Holden Astra and the Holden Cruze internationally. And this car was designed in Germany, developed in Korea and has an Italian heart. And this car is two things. One, this car is a truly global car, and second, this is actually a diesel rocket. In fact, the underlying platform of this car was used for so many cars कि मैं आपको नाम गिनाते गिनाते थक जाऊंगा. The Opel or Vauxhall Astra, Buick Excellent, Chevrolet Volt, Chevrolet Orlando, Buick Verano, Opel Ampera, Opel Zafira Tourer, and even this radical looking Cadillac ELR was also based on the same platform as the mighty Chevrolet Cruze. This is the 2016 facelift, which can be identified by these chrome surrounds around the DRL and fog lights, this updated split grille in chrome and this boot lip spoiler. और ये गाड़ी almost 10 साल पहले came with a 2-liter engine that produced 164 horsepower, 350 Newton meters of torque that got it from 0 to 100 in just 9.6 seconds. सही में बैक इन द डे इस कार का परफॉर्मेंस में कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं था और आज के दिन भी इस सेगमेंट में देयर इज नो कंपैरिजन. एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ सेफ्टी यू गॉट ए कोलैप्सिबल पेडल बॉक्स, ABS and 4 airbags, disc brakes on all 4 wheels, and in terms of features you got tilt and telescopic steering wheel mounted controls, touchscreen with Bluetooth, single touch power windows, electrically adjustable mirrors, sunroof, these thick and high quality leather seats that were also semi electrically adjustable, an illuminated vanity mirror, extra storage on top of the dashboard. It also had this massive boot that was comparable to European cars of its time. And I remember back in the day, this was the coolest and the most radical looking center console design that I had come across. And while today in 2025, this might not be the most easiest car to maintain, with parts being really scarce, if you wanted to, you could actually tune and get more out of this car. With a stage 1 tune, it can get up to 200 horsepower and 440 Newton meters of torque, and a stage 2 tune will get the power up to 220 and the torque to 500 Newton meters. So, क्या सोचते हो? Let me know down in the comments below. Share this reel with a fellow car enthusiast and follow me and Generation Speed for more such awesome content.